Hello everyone. Again, moving ahead with our chapter geometrical shape, and today topic that is polygon. Right? So word itself says poly means many. Poly means many, and gon means side. Right? What does this say? Polygon. Right? Poly means many. પોલી નો મીનિંગ શું થાય? many. બરાબર? and gone means what? number of sides. Right? So now we are going to deal with the figure that contains different number of sides. Right? So here is the definition. A simple closed figure formed of three or more line segments. That is called a polygon. Right? So which type of figure it will be? It will be simple closed figure. It is formed of three or more line segments. Right? See here the word says that three or more line segments. So if I draw somewhat like this, right? Okay, I will draw करूँ. So it is not a closed figure. It is simply a line segment. बराबर? Closed figure form નથી થયું. એક બંધ દરવાજો જેવો નથી. આ ખાલી એક line segment છે. Right? So here how many line segment is there? One. Now let's take two line segment. बराबर? So here is your first one. Here is your second one. Again there are two line segments, 1 and 2. Is it closed? No, it is open. Right? Chalo, let's take three line segments. Barabar? 1, 2 and 3 line segments. And you can see that I can form a closed figure. Which type of figure I can form? I can form closed figure. How many line segments are there? 1, 2 and 3. Then I can take 4. I can take 5. I can take 6. I can take 7 and all that. Right? So we can say that a closed figure form of 3. Right? Starting થશે 3 થી. પછી તમારે જેટલી લાઈન સેગમેન્ટ લેવી હોય તેટલી. It will form a polygon. શું ફોર્મ કરીને આપશે? Polygon ફોર્મ કરીને આપશે. So here line segment which forms a polygon are called its sides. એને શું કહેવાશે? Sides કહેવાશે. So this first line segment, that will be your side 1. Here that will be the side 2. And this one, that will be your side 3. Right? એટલે મારે કોઈ ક્લોઝ પોલીગોન ફોર્મ કરવું હોય તો મારે ઓછામાં ઓછી કેટલી સાઈડની જરૂર પડશે? 3 સાઈડની જરૂર પડશે. ઉપર જેટલી લેવી હોય તેટલી. The point at which two adjacent sides of the polygon meet is called vertex of a polygon. બરાબર? ચાલો જો ધ્યાનથી vertex કોને કહેવાય છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ મારી પાસે એક પોલીગોન છે જેની પાસે 4 સાઈડ છે. કેટલી સાઈડ છે એની પાસે? 4 સાઈડ છે. હું ફિગર ફોર્મ કરું છું. બરાબર? So this is your side 1, this is your side 2, side 3 અને side 4. બરાબર? આને શું કહેવાશે? Side. Now the point. Here is the point. જોયું અહીંયા point side 1 પરનો અને side 2 પરનો. અહીંયાથી મારી બે સાઈડ ફોર્મ થાય છે. Side 1 અને side 2. So this is called vertex. એને શું કહેવાશે? vertex. Similarly આ બી શું થઈ ગયો? વર્ટેક્સ જ થઈ ગયું. આ બી શું થઈ ગયું? વર્ટેક્સ થઈ ગયું. અને this one is also વર્ટેક્સ. બરાબર? એટલે બે સાઈડ જ્યાં એકબીજાને મળે ત્યાં એક પોઈન્ટ ક્રિએટ થાય છે. એ પોઈન્ટ ને શું કહેવાય? વર્ટેક્સ. કોનો? Of a polygon. Right? So in the given figure, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon and hexagon are the examples of polygon. These are the examples. Right? ચાલો નેમિંગ કેવી રીતે થયું એનું તે આપણે જોઈએ. Now in the first figure, this figure, first one, you can see that this one is your first side, S1, this one is your second side, S2, and this one is your third side, S3. Similarly, how many vertex are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 side, 3 vertex. Therefore, it is named as triangle. And kaya naame ઓળખાય છે? Triangle. Tri means 3. Right? A closed figure, right? Closed figure છે જો બધી સાઈડ થી બંધ છે. A closed figure form of 3 side, 3 angles, or we can say 3 vertices. Then it is a triangle. બરાબર? ચલો, let's see another one. So this is your side 1. This one is your side 2. This one is your side 3. And this one is your side 4. So how many sides are there for second figure? 4 sides. That's why it is quadrilateral. And શું કહેવાય? Quadrilateral. Quadri means 4. Quadri means what? 4. And lateral means sides. Lateral means what? Side. So the closed figure form of 4 sides and 4 vertices, or we can say angle. Then such figure is quadrilateral. ये कई figure થઈ જશે? Quadrilateral. ચાલો આગળ જોઈએ. થર્ડ નંબર પર ચેક આઉટ કરીએ. So let's see the number of side. This one is your side 1. This one is your side 2. This one side 3. Side 4. And finally side 5. So how many sides are there? 5 sides are there. Let's see the number of vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides and 5 vertices. Right? That's why it is pentagon. એને કેવો કોણ કહેવાશે? Pentagon. Penta means 5. Penta means 5. And gon એટલે side. Right? Having 5 sides, 5 vertices, or we can say angle, so it will form pentagon. Right? Chalo, next let's see another figure. Side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4, side 5, and a side 6. How many sides are there? 6 sides are there. Let's check out what vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides and 6 vertices. That's why it is hexagon. It is hexagon. Hexa means 6 and gon means sides. So closed figure formed by 6 sides, they are known as hexagon. Right? So how many polygons are there? The first one, the smallest one, that is triangle. Second one, quadrilateral. Third one, pentagon. Fourth one, hexagon. Then હેપ્ટાગોન, ઓક્ટાગોન, નેનાગોન એન્ડ ડેકાગોન. આવી રીતે બધા સાઇડ્સ પોલીગોન ફોર્મ થાય છે. બરાબર? Now next, that is types of polygons, right? So polygons are found of different types. So let's see the types of polygon. The first one, regular and irregular. પહેલું કોને ચેક આઉટ કરીએ? Regular polygon and irregular polygon, right? So here I have written over here a regular and here irregular. So how we can say that they are regular or irregular? So a regular polygon has all sides equal, right? ये जो regular polygon है उसकी all side, जितनी भी साइड होगी वो कैसी होगी? इक्वल होगी. Let's see, let's measure. So this is your side 1, we have measure. Then see over here, that is side 2, side 3, side 4, side 5. So here all sides, which one? Side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4 and side 5 are equal measure. બધાનું મેજર કેવું હશે? ઇક્વલ, સરખું. એટલા માટે એ કેવું પોલીગોન કહેવાશે? રેગ્યુલર પોલીગોન. એને કયું પોલીગોન કહેવાશે? રેગ્યુલર પોલીગોન. And here you can see irregular polygon. Sides are not of equal measure. Let's see over here the first one and see the second one, how long it is. જોયું ને કેટલી long છે, right? So all sides are of different length. बराबर? यहाँ पे क्या होगा? All sides are unequal. Unequal means what? Having different length. सबकी अलग-अलग साइड होगी, उसको बोलेंगे irregular. रेगुलर नहीं है, उसको irregular polygon कहा जाएगा. बराबर? तो two types of polygons are there. We have studied first one, that is regular, means all sides are equal, and irregular means सभी साइड अलग-अलग है. चलो. Now another, simple and complex. Simple means एकदम सादું, right? The complex means ગૂંચવાળું પડેલું. કયું પડેલું હશે? ગૂંચવાળું પડેલું. So here you can see that it is simple one. કશે બી crossing નથી, right? ત્યારે complex માં જો crossing જોવા મળે છે. તો આવા જે ટાઈપના જે બધા પોલીગોન ફોર્મ થાય છે, they are complex polygon. સમજ પડે? આ જે બધા પોલીગોન્સ જે ફોર્મ થાય છે, they are simple and sweet. Simple polygon. બરાબર? ને આ બધા કેવા કહેવાશે? complex. બધા વિચિત્ર. complex polygon. These all are complex polygon, right? A simple polygon has only boundary. It does not cross over itself. એકબીજાને ક્રોસ કરતા નથી. ત્યારે કાઈ જો ની કાઈની ટેલ આવે છે, એટલે ટેલ જો અહીંયા ક્રોસ થાય છે, અહીંયા ક્રોસ થાય છે, રાઈટ? ક્રોસ થઈ ગયું. That's why it is complex. ક્રોસ થઈ જાય એટલે કેવું કહેવાશે? કોમ્પ્લેક્સ કહેવાશે. એટલે ક્રોસ નથી, સિમ્પલ સ્વીટ દેખાય છે. That will be my simple polygon. બરાબર? તો ચાર ટાઈપના પોલીગોન આપણે જોયા. રેગ્યુલર, બધી જ સાઈડ સેમ. ઇરેગ્યુલર, બધી જ સાઈડ ડિફરન્ટ. સિમ્પલ, સ્વીટ એટલે એકબીજાને ક્રોસ કરતા નથી. કોમ્પ્લેક્સ, મગજમારી વાળું, એકબીજાને ક્રોસ કરે છે. Got it? Next topic, name of polygon based on their number of sides, right? अब हम क्या करेंगे? पोलीगॉन का नेमिंग करेंगे. किसके बेस पे? on the basis of number of sides, right? So let's see how they are named. बराबर, अभी सीख तो गए हैं लेकिन एक बार वापिस हम देख लेंगे. The first name, triangle. How many sides? 3 sides. What I say? 3. Here the indication of sides. Here indication of what I say. Here indication of angles. And here you can see the figure. The first one, triangle. Triangle, यहाँ पे बॉडी कह सकता है. Tri means 3. So let's see the figure. Side 1, side 2, side 3. 3 side. Vertex is 1, vertex is 2, vertex is 3. 3 vertices. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. 3 angles. So it will form a triangle. बराबर? चलो. Second one, that is quadrilateral. Quadri means 4 and lateral means sides. So here you can see that 4 sides are there, 4 vertices are there, 4 angles are there. Let's see. That is your side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4. Then angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, as well as you can see the vertices. Vertices 1, 2, 3 and 4. So having 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices, it will form a quadrilateral. Got it? Then pentagon. Here penta means 5 and gon એટલે sides. चलो here 5 sides, 5 vertices, 5 angles. Let's see. Side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4, side 5. Right? 5 side यहाँ पे लिख गई. Let's check it out angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles are there. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So it will form a pentagon. Then hexagon. Hexa means 6. 6 sides, 6 vertices, 6 angles. Let's see the figure. S1, side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4, side 5, side 6. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices and angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices, 6 angle, 6 sides, and this closed figure. That's why it is hexagon. बराबर समझ में आवे छे दीकराओ. Now moving ahead, that is triangle, right? The first polygon that we are going to learn, that is triangle. Right? So what is triangle? The geometrical shape or the closed figure having 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 vertices are called triangle. There are various types of triangle. Right? So triangle क्या है? तो वो ऐसा closed figure है कि जिसके पास 3 साइड है, 3 एंगल्स है और 3 वर्टाइसेस है. तो वैसे क्लोज फिगर को हम क्या इंडिकेट करेंगे? उसको हम ट्राइंगल इंडिकेट करेंगे. राइट? वो क्या फॉर्म हो जाएगा? ट्राइंगल. तो देखो यहाँ पे भी ट्राइंगल है, ये फर्स्ट फिगर कौन सा है? ट्रायंगल का है. लेट्स से अनदर वन. Your first side, second side, third side, triangles. Okay, the second figure is also triangle, as well as the last figure is also triangle. But you can see there are different shapes. બરાબર ને? છે તો triangle જ, but બધું કંઈક અલગ-અલગ દેખાય છે. બરાબર? એ જ સમજવાનું છે કે કેમ અલગ-અલગ ડિઝાઇન છે triangle ની. The first one, that is equilateral triangle. किसकी बात कर रहे हैं हम? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. यहां से वर्ड को हम स्प्लिट करेंगे तो इक्वी का मीनिंग है इक्वल. इक्वी का मीनिंग क्या है? इक्वल. और लेटरल मीन्स साइड्स. वो तो हमने पढ़ लिया. लेटरल मीन्स साइड. सो जो इक्वल साइड ट्रायंगल, जो इक्वल साइड है, राइट? Whenever we come across a triangle having all sides, all angles equal, then we can say that it is equilateral triangle. समझ પડે છે શું કહેવું છું કે આપણે જ્યારે બી ટ્રાયંગલ ડ્રો કરશું કે ટ્રાયંગલ આપેલું હશે ને બધી સાઈડ 3 સાઈડ જો ઇક્વલ હશે તો એને કહેવાશે equilateral triangle. Here is the definition. A triangle whose all sides are equal is called equilateral. All side कैसी है? इक्वल है. That is, यहाँ पे देखा जाए तो एक साइड है, दिस इज साइड 1, साइड 2, साइड 3. उसको तो मैं एलोपेट करूंगा तो कैसे लिखा जाएगा? एज साइड 1, दैट इज AB. साइड 1 कौन सी है? अलाइन सेगमेंट AB. साइड 2 वो क्या है? अलाइन सेगमेंट BC. लाइन सेगमेंट BC. और साइड 3 क्या है? लाइन सेगमेंट AC. तो here what we can say that AB का जो मेजर है वो सेम है किसकी तरह? BC का. वो भी सेम है AC जैसा, राइट? तो all sides are equal, then they are equilateral triangle. यहाँ पे लिखा है 4 सेंटीमीटर 4 सेंटीमीटर 4 सेंटीमीटर. मींस व्हाट? AB की लेंथ 4 है, BC की लेंथ 4 है, AC की लेंथ भी 4 है. सभी साइड्स इक्वल है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. समझ में आया? सभी साइड से तो इक्विलेटरल. नाउ अनदर ट्रायंगल, that is isosceles triangle. Right? Which type of triangle it is? Isosceles triangle. Right? So what is isosceles triangle? A triangle whose two sides are of equal length. So here you can see that side 1 and side 2, they are equal. From the figure it is given to you 4 centimeter 4 centimeter. So here side 1 is same as side 2, that is 4 centimeter. And the last third side, S3, side 3, that is 2 centimeter. Right? So here we can say that two sides are equal of same length. That's why this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Here it is given to you that in triangle ABC, AB is same as AC, that is 4 centimeter. Two sides are equal. Hence, the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Barabar? Another one, that is scaling. A triangle whose sides are unequal. Right? Unequal. From the figure you can see that AB, that is 1 centimeter. BC, that is 4 centimeter. And AC, that is 3 centimeter. All the sides are unequal. Right? સરખી નથી, unequal છે. That's why it is an scaling triangle. બરાબર? એટલે જ્યારે મારી પાસે બધી સાઈડ સેમ આવે એટલે ઇક્વિલેટરલ. બે સાઈડ સેમ આવે isosceles, बत्ती साइड अलग अलग आ रहे हैं, then it will be scalene. Okay. Another type of triangle, that is right angle triangle. The word itself says that right angle means one angle की मेजर क्या होगी 90 डिग्री. तो यहाँ पे फिगर में आप देखो कि यह जो एंगल P है, एंगल P that is of 90 degree. So a triangle whose one of the angle is right angle is called a right angle triangle. So in the figure you can see that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle with angle B is equal to 90 degree. यहाँ पे एंगल B का मेजर क्या है 90 डिग्री है. Then acute angle triangle. So what is the meaning of acute? Acute means less than 90 degree. Acute का मीनिंग क्या है? Less than 90 degree. So a triangle with all the angles as acute angle. सभी एंगल कैसे होंगे? Acute angle. Then such triangles are known as acute angle triangle. यहाँ पे एंगल A देखो. What is the measure of angle A? 70 degree. What is measure of angle B? That is 50 degree. What is angle C? That is 60 degree. Right? All angles are less than 90 degree. All angles are less than 90 degree. That's why these angles are known as acute angle triangle. Next, obtuse angle triangle. Again, pick up the word obtuse. Obtuse means greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree. So a triangle with one angle as an obtuse angle and the other two are acute. Then such triangles are known as obtuse angle triangle. So here you can see that angle P, that is 110, right, which is more than 90 degree. बराबर. चलो પછી angle A. What is angle A? 50 degree. Angle P, that is 40 degree. So they are less than 90. Less than 90. एक 90 करता વધારે અને બાકીના બે 90 કરતા ઓછા. Then such type of triangles they are known as obtuse angle triangle. કોઈ भी એક એંગલ નું મેજર 90 ડિગ્રી કરતા વધારે હશે એવા ટ્રાયેંગલ ને કહેવાય obtuse angle triangle. Right? ચાલો. Name the triangle whose all sides are equal. All sides equal. They are equilateral. बराबर ने? All sides equal. That's why they are equilateral. Next, name the triangle given below. Okay, see the figure properly. So here you can see that at angle C. What is the measure of angle C? It is 90 degree. Therefore, it is right angle triangle. કયું એંગલ થઈ ગયું? Right angle triangle. સમજ પડે છે શું કેમ છું તે? So up to today it's enough that we have learned about polygons, and from that polygons we have learned about the first one, that is triangle, and there are different types, right? So next we will proceed afterwards. Thank you. Have a nice day.